Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing a rescue install on this 2016 Ford Transit. Customer brings me this Transit, basically brought it from another shop who did the work that never really finished it. Nothing really works. I mean, essentially, yeah, it's in the dash, but the backup camera doesn't work well. Wiring's a mess, and all the pieces don't fit well. So in this install, we're going to strip it all down, find out exactly what the damage is, rewire everything, and get this buttoned up right. This video is sponsored by HighFlex.com, your go-to place for great fitting shorts that are comfortable and don't suck. Pick yourself up a pair of Stretch Flex Hero shorts and get 15% off at checkout with coupon code ProvoBeast. All right, so let's look at this a little bit. Now, of course, the top won't clip in because they left the original screen plugged in. So let's see what we have to work with. Now, with the passenger light, the Transit came in with the light already on, which means whoever worked on this before unplugged the airbag sensor and at some point turned on the key, which tripped the light. Now the light's on, so we don't have to worry about re-tripping the light. Unfortunately, it'll have to be cleared by the dealer. That's not a fun expense to have. Oh, it's not even mounted in. Oh, jeez. I mean, there's going to be a lot of wiring, but still, there's a better way to do it. All right, let's start separating this out. Now this is our AV harness from the Pioneer 4400NEX. So this obviously is in good shape. Don't need to do much there. All right, so I'm just gonna start cutting this all out. We're gonna start on over here. Alright, so just off camera, I went ahead and removed a lot of the tape. I actually cut out the steering wheel control harness because this Transit doesn't have steering wheel controls. No point in having that extra cabling in there. And this gives us a little bit more transparency on what to hook up here. Now, of course, we have our main connections here, and then our connections supplied by the module, the brain box here, on this hand side. What we're going to do is we've stripped both ends. We also have a video bypass for a Pioneer that we're going to wire in. And we have our other ends ready to go. This goes to the Pioneer sign, and we have the heat shrink on. I'm going to throw in a little extra wire just so I have accessibility to other connections. We're going to go ahead and get started just getting everything wired up, mostly here matching color to color. Alright, so we soldered all our connections, got everything heat shrunk out. At this point, we're just zip tying everything up, cleaning up our wiring here. Now, we've extended a couple wires. This is just a remote turn on in case we want to add something later. And then I went ahead and tested the nav unit. The previous installer did something with the software, so I had to reflash it with Axis's website. It's working fine now. But as far as I can tell, the illumination or the dimmer wire is still not responding to the aftermarket radio, and even testing with the test light, it doesn't seem like it's providing that continuity that we want. So we're going to run our own, but essentially here we'll leave a power and ground out here as well, in case we add on an accessory. Since we added in Pioneer bypass, we don't need the parking brake that this provides, and we don't have steering wheel controls, so we don't need the blue-pink wire. So at this time, we're going to just tape everything up with Testa tape to make it look like it's factory and it's supposed to be there. Okay, so we got our AV harness all tidied up, our backup camera harness all tidied up as well, and our main harness all tidied up. So let's head into the vehicle and get everything wired. Alright, let's get our radio plugged in. That's how we do it. It all fits in nicely. That's about it for today. A couple other adjustments. I'm just going to keep working on the kit a little bit. But that was a rescue install after an absolute mess from the previous installer. Unfortunately, it was a shop and the customer paid some money for it. So here we just cleaned up some wiring, made everything work, and buttoned it up pretty nice. Thanks guys for watching. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.